This is part 96 of ASP.NET MVC tutorial. In this video, we'll discuss loading element duration property of AjaxOptions class. This is continuation to part 95, so please watch part 95 before proceeding. Loading element duration property is used to control the animation duration of loading element. At the moment, notice that when I click this all link, this loading element immediately appears. And then as the data becomes available, look at that, it immediately disappears. Instead of that, we want that loading element to slowly fade in and fade out. To achieve that, we can use loading element duration property. So let's specify loading element duration property, and we want that to fade in and fade out in a duration of 1 second. The time has to be in milliseconds, so 1 second is 1000 milliseconds. Let's just specify it for the all link for now. So let me go ahead and run this now. And when we click this all, look at that, it slowly fades in, and as the data becomes available, it slowly fades out. Okay, now that's fine, but then let's increase the time to 2 seconds, or let's increase it to 3 seconds. Now let's run this, and look at that, it fades in and fades out at the same speed no matter what is the duration that you set here. And that turns out to be a bug, and I have found the solution for the bug at this Stack Overflow link. All we need to do is convert the value that is returned by this attribute to an integer. Look at that, when we set loading element duration property, then the rendered HTML, so if I right click on that and view page source, notice that an attribute is auto generated for us. Data-ajax-loading-duration equals 3000 milliseconds. So jQuery has to read that value from this attribute, and then after it has read it, it needs to be converted into integer. Okay, so within our unobtrusive Ajax JavaScript file, we need to find this attribute and convert that to integer. So here it is. So let's convert that to integer, and to do that we can use parseInt function. That's it. Let's save the changes, and then within our index view, let's reference that script file. So at the moment we are using minified script file. Let's get rid of that and use this one. Alright, so with these changes, let's run this now. And let's click on this all link. Look at that, it slowly fades in, okay, within a span of 3 seconds. And when we click OK, it slowly fades out. Alright, that's it for today. Thank you for listening. Have a great day.